I'm glad he was teaching patience, while most other legal patients. They didn't work, but soon I'll be able to make every single patient. Learn to rock! We've been trying to keep them active when we ask those things. As much as I love your inner monologue, the patient is not going to make itself. Sorry, you got all carried away. Just trying to hold off the pixie dust. Anyway, the Jesus presentation we just made, the present presentation that you can sell in the black market. Or you can use it on people saying these stuff with you. It's also a good way to life. Anything! Please be blessed in your head! That's my sister, Eva! We know you go with the patient you very well. Don't worry! I love you still well! At least the last two only I connected. Everything I know about upstairs. Everything is so sorry. Hey, it's okay, I'll be in I